You've uploaded hundreds of videos on your YouTube channel, and yet you only have 300 of subscribers and a few views. But then there's this guy, Isaac, who uploaded only 4 videos and gained over 100,000 subscribers and nearly 3 million views.
What? Seriously, dude?
How did Isaac achieve such massive success? I watched Isaac's videos over and over, literally countless times. And finally, I discovered his 5-step formula that he applies in every single video. I'm not going to talk about thumbnails, titles, and storytelling because everyone's already talking about them. What I'm going to reveal are the actual legit steps. 4th step is so crucial that without it, he couldn't have reached this level. So don't miss any part of this video and watch till the end.
Isaac broke YouTube with 1 video. The first video has 350,000 views.
Uploaded only 3 videos, gained more than 60,000 subscribers.
Solved the YouTube algorithm with only 4 videos.
All of them went viral and reached hundreds of thousands of views,
Making him a part of an elite group of creators in the trending Facebook niche.
But how?
Okay, let's look at Isaac's video right from the start.
I've been running a faceless YouTube channel for over 2 years, getting millions of views. 3 weeks ago, I uploaded my first video on this channel. Today, it has 10% click-through rate, 50% retention, and over 10,000 views. I made only 3 videos on this channel, and all of them got over 100,000 views.
What did you notice? Does showing proofs come across as arrogant? No. According to famous YouTubers, the first 30 seconds of your video determine whether viewers will watch the entire video or not. Your intro should hook the audience so they stay engaged and watch your full video. But proofs? According to an article from IB Psychology, the word prove is definitive and absolute. It means that something has been demonstrated beyond doubt. It means human psychology is to believe in proofs more than anything. When you start your video by showing proof, it makes viewers think your video isn't just clickbait. They believe they'll find real solution of their problem if they watch until the end. But what if you don't have big proofs like Isaac, like his views or subscriber numbers? How can you do it? Don't worry, you can use clips from other YouTubers' videos and their numbers, or you can use information from the internet like I did with the article from IB Psychology. Trust me, showing proof makes your video much more engaging and convincing. But what if your editing is boring? Then it will definitely reduce audience retention. That brings us to the 2nd step. Editing is the key to Isaac's success. Believe it or not, his fast-paced scenes, smooth transitions, and heavy animations make his videos incredibly engaging. Isaac even mentions this in his videos. If you think you can make a viral video with dull editing, then left this platform because it didn't going to work. Great editing is crucial for keeping viewers hooked and achieving high watch time and millions of views. So how can you edit like Isac? Easy. Just type same thing on YouTube and you'll find tons of videos breaking down his techniques. There are so many videos out there because Isaac's editing is truly a masterpiece, but I personally recommend watching this particular video, which covers every single point. You can find the link to it in the description. But your master editing is dead if you don't mix in the 3rd step. Not only Isaac, but all top creators know that music and sound effects are the heart of a video. If they don't breathe properly, the video will die. If you watch Isaac's videos closely, you'll notice he uses music and sound effects on a whole different level. He creates emotions with them by changing the music many times in different segments. No one talks about this, but it's crucial for making a viral video. This genius explains how music and sound have a huge impact on videos. So, do you need to change music constantly like Isaac? No. Isaac is a genius at a different level. You don't need to match him if you're new to this platform. Just focus on your intro music because it's the most important part. You can use intense music like Isaac does, which you can download from Pixabay. Any music can be identified by playing it on an app called Shazam. After the music, focus on sound effects. Most video editing software provides free sound effects, and you can also find the sound effects you need on YouTube by searching for them. But what if I told you that you can generate any type of music and sound effects that come to your mind? Here comes the 4th important step. Do you know the key to Isaac's success? Yes, it's his script. But how does he create such ultra engaging scripts? Okay, let's head over to Isaac's video.
I'm too lazy to do the research, so I'll ask Bing to write me the whole career of our guy. AI automation, huh? After taking useful parts and putting in a story.
Isaac uses AI to get script ideas, AI voices, and a lot of other materials. If you're running a faceless YouTube channel like Isaac, then you need to learn how to use AI. It's important. Here's the guide. You can use ChatGPT or Bing AI to generate an engaging script. Image and video generation can be done by using Runway AI for free. 11 Labs can generate realistic AI voices and sound effects. So start implementing this in your videos. There are a lot of AI tools that can help automate your channel, allowing you to do almost nothing. You can find more information about these AI tools in my previous videos. But all these enough to get success like Isaac? No. Most viewers don't watch videos till the end. You need to make your ending interesting, which brings us to our last step. Isaac masters human psychology. He knows what viewers want. Creating suspense in the video keeps viewers curious about the solution, making them watch until the end. Isaac doesn't just use suspense at the end, he uses it in different timelines in the video.
It's not one of those use ChatGPT and Canva to make 300 videos in 30 minutes, or use this website to make clips from interviews from the tutorial. I tried all of them, and trust me, they don't work at all. It's been 30 days since I published that short, and while waiting, I made 5 more videos with the same formula. So, did it get 1 million views? No, it didn't. Because it got 2 million.
So how do you create suspense? You can oppose popular YouTubers, celebrities, and famous theories, which sparks high curiosity in viewers. Also maintain the pacing of your video by slowing down during key moments and speeding up during less important parts. Unresolved questions, cliffhangers, unexpected twists, and climaxes are other great options. You need to find the type of suspense that best fits your video. But remember, all these steps are not enough to achieve that much success. You also need to master thumbnails, storytelling, scripting, and much more. Experience is everything. Isaac's success didn't happen overnight. It's the result of years of hard work and learning from mistakes. By the way, I'm a big fan of Isaac. He truly is a legend. But you know what? You can edit videos like Isaac easily. To learn how, watch my latest video.